A warning, this next story discusses suicide. Verna Strickland was preparing for a wedding just a week before she lost a young relative to suicide in July.
Putting up balloons and having fun.
She describes the 13-year-old boy as a funny, outgoing kid, a good older brother and son, and an avid hunter.
Overall, he was just a kid with a lot of potential.
Health Minister John Main says there were 3 suicides in Pond Inlet around that time. Between 2010 and 2024, 458 people died by suicide in Nunavut. July's deaths came just weeks after the territorial government again declared suicide a crisis.
Every consecutive tragedy, serves to just underline the urgency and underline the need for action.
Main says there was immediate support from multiple agencies that included flying people out of the community for monitoring and care, but he stresses the government's work is not done.
We want to make it very clear to Nunavummiut that we're not just talking about this, that we're taking action.
One of those action items, he says, is the RCMP's new efforts to educate people about safe storage of firearms and medication. He also wants to introduce more land programs and housing support. Concerns about Nunavut suicide rates are also reaching Ottawa.
They need more support and training for counseling services using helping each other, loving each other. We will reach better times.
Strickland appreciates there's no easy solution, but she says she's tired of trying to operate in broken systems which are disconnected from the Inuit way of life.
We're losing our children, we're losing our future, and we refuse to stay silent.
Samuel Watt, CBC News, Yellowknife.
If you or someone you know is struggling, there's help. You can call the Nunavut Kamatsiaktut helpline at 1-867-979-3333 or toll free at 1-800-265-3333. You can also call the Suicide Crisis Helpline by dialing 988. Both lines are available 24/7.